Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should be able to see the diesel filter on the upper left of the engine compartment. Using adjustable pliers, put pressure on the coloured part of the plastic connector, all while levering with a flathead screwdriver. Repeat the operation on the other connector. Remove the third hose in the same way as the first two. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket, you can now take off the support flange on the filter and remove it completely. Start by disconnecting the electricity supply to the water pressure sensor located at the very bottom. To do this, put light pressure on the locking lever of the connection, then pull downwards. You can now remove the filter, but be sure to place it in the liquid collector.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Drain your filter into the liquid collector and collect the water sensor. Be careful, diesel may still flow out. On this filter, you must reuse the diesel hose adapter to install the new filter. Remove the locking pin, levering it off with a flathead screwdriver, then remove the adapter. Take the new filter, remove the water drain cap, and collect the new seal from it. Install it on the water pressure sensor. Then screw it back onto the filter. Put the adapter back in place and lock it in. Reconnect the water sensor power supply. Put the filter back, reassemble the frame, and tighten the screw using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket. Reconnect the 3 hoses. Turn the key in the ignition 3 times to fill the filter with the diesel pump. Operation completed.
Hello! If this video helped you, like and subscribe.